Hey everyone, it's Sandeep here. Welcome to my video. I am super excited to going lecture how to use Canvas instructor. So let's start discussion about Canvas. Canvas is ICT based LMS tool. ICT based tools are used for online learning which is called e-learning. ICT tools and LMS is a collaboration software for distributing courses over the internet. Canvas is free cloud version of LMS. The cloud solution is ideal for medium-sized business and enterprises. Canvas LMS is a dependable LMS for educators and students. Dependable means you can manage your Canvas as you want. It can be customized to your scenario, extended via integration, and accessed through the cloud from desktop and mobile devices. It has the standard tool like notification, collaboration, space, and web conferencing. The LMS has pedagogical structure which lets you add new app to enhance your courses. The interface is very intuitive to non-technical users where both admin and students can quickly learn the features and optimize the learning process. The different features are announcement, graded and ungraded discussions, customized view of digital content that we can provide our students like file, link, images, audio as well as video files. We can manage question bank also by using the Canvas. Individual or group assessments like single person assessment, or you can make a group assessment, you can make your quizzes. You also can import and export your courses. Can do with Canvas. You can customize your home page. You can make your course setting, course navigations, time zones, other informations, menu setting, then sections, then design the content. That technical name is module. You can add files, you can add links, you can add pages, then enrollment as a public as a students, then prepare and publish a course, quizzes, review answers and generate the result of the students. The useful links for Canvas is Canvas guide. You can take guide from here, then Canvas account comparison, sign up details. So now start with the sign up and login with Canvas. So for sign up, you have go to this link https canvas.instructor.com. Then click here its free tab that is on the top right corner of the home page. Then click on I am teacher button in below side of the home page. Then next select get a free Canvas account. Enter your details and set your password. Congratulations, now log in with your email ID and password. Let's see the screenshot for that. First is your home page in which you can click here it's free button. In second image you can see I am a teacher button and you have to click here. In third image you can see get a free Canvas account link, you have to click, and in fourth image you can enter your details, first name and last name, your organization, your email ID, your phone number, your organization type, job title, why Canvas and your country, and press the next button. After that you can see free Canvas account password setup. You just give your password and submit. After that you can log in with your email id and password you have set in your account, then login. There is a more options for login like Google account, Facebook account, LinkedIn account, Twitter account, but I personally suggest that don't go for these options. You directly go with your free accounts as I discussed in previous slides. Next, move for the courses. How we can create courses in your account. For that you have to go for dashboard after login, then select the start new course button in the left right middle, then pop-up menu, and you have to give your course name in menu. Then now congratulations, your course is created successfully. You can see the images here. After login you can see dashboard. In dashboard there is a button in right top corner, start a new courses. You have to click there. Then in second image you can see a pop-up menu in which you have to put your course name and select the create course button. Your course is created. It's very easy. Then move for create page. In your course, select Home tab from navigation pane, then select Page, Add Page and enter title of the page. You can add image or text in your page that you want in your course. Make page as a front page by selecting an option from drop down menu and select choose courses home page, then save and publish. You can see in images in your course you have to select the button page, and in the right top corner you have to press the plus page button, and in second image you can see that choose course home page. You have to choose your page for the home page and publish it for students. Next is how to create a module for your course. Module is simply like the chapter of your book. Like in your course, modules are the chapters. Like select modules tab for your course navigation pane. Then in module you have to add module for and press the plus button for more modules and choose files or drag and drop files want to add in module, then publish your module that you want to show your students. In first image you can see that the right top corner plus module button. By clicking that you can add your module or you can create your module. In second image you have to add like chapter 1, chapter 2 and number of module in your course. It's again very easy. Now come to create question bank. For that you have to select quizzes from your course navigation pane, then select icon and press the plus quiz button, and you have to go for select manage question bank and press plus add for the new question bank. In first image you can see you have to select quiz button in the left bottom corner. Then in second you have to press the three dots and select the manage question bank. After that in third image you can see that you have to give the your name of your question bank name. And in image 4 you can see your question bank is created by the question bank 1, question bank 2, question bank 3. How many question bank you want create for your course, you can create by giving the simply name and press the enter after that. So now your question bank is created. How we create the questions in your question bank? You have to select question button and you have to select which type of the question you want. You want multiple choice, you want true false, fill in the blanks, multiple blanks, multiple answer. You have to select which type of the question you want from this drop down menu. And in second image you have to answer your question, correct answer in your box and remaining three answers and update questions. Next, in your how to create quiz for your students from the question bank. For that you have to select quiz button from navigation pane, then go for quiz question tab, new question group and link to the question group. You have to link your quiz with your question bank. So you have to go for question bank you have created and Canvas will automatically randomize the questions whatever you have select. If you want to randomize the answer, the shuffle answer box must be selected from the quiz detail. Once you have completed the quiz, save and publish to make the available to the students. In first image you can see that your course quiz is available. Then go for the question tab and go for the new question group tab. After that you have a button like link to question bank. If you press that button, then you have whatever the question bank you have created is visible and you have to select which question bank you want and how many questions you want from that question bank. Then you have to select question bank as you can see in image number 4. After that, in image 1 you can see that I have created group 1 with 3 questions, 1 point per question from the question bank 2, and second group pick 2 question, 1 point per question from the question bank 1. So in this way you can create your questions from the question bank. After that you have to decide the quiz type, that is a graded quiz or assignment quiz. In option assignment group you have to select assignment, then options you have to shuffle your answer. In image 2 you can see time zone, time limit 40 minutes. Then you have to select if you want multiple attempt or single attempt. In next checkbox you have to see let students see their quiz response, and last checkbox you have to show one question at a time. In this way, in image 3 you can see quiz restrictions. If you want to give some access code to restrict your quiz, then you have to select this checkbox. And filter IP address, you can identify the IP also and assign to everyone enrolled in your course, and due time and available from until you have to select from this and publish your quiz. In image 4 you can see I have created my quiz with the name mid exam quiz. This is a graded quiz and I have selected 5 questions, so you can see here. This is the part we have covered about the question bank and quizzes. Now come to the next part, grading. How we can grade the students for the quiz. You have to select grades from the course navigation pane. Then you can see all the registered students marks in the grade book. You can set your grades in percentage or points. In first image you can see grades. You have to click here. This is our course we have already created, test course. And in second image you can see student name, mid exam quiz out of 5 how many marks, and assignment total, and you have to enter grade as point or percentage. So in this way you can grade your students also. And next one, how to enroll the students in your course. So for that you have go to the course tab, select people in navigation pane, then select people, then pop-up menu open. You have to add people by the email address, enter emails of students and select add users button. Email is sent to the students from Canvas ID notification@instructor.com. Students have to accept invitation to join that course. In first image you can see people button, you have to press that. Then in image 2, you in right corner plus people button you have to select. Then image 3, you have to add people by the email address. You have to insert the email address of your students. And image 4, you can see the students is or the people is added by using the add user button. So in this way you can enroll your students. So thank you all. This is all about Canvas. I have respect your time. Within my capacity, I tried my best to explore you about Canvas. If you like, then please subscribe my channel. I will prepare more informative videos for you. Thank you so much for watching this video.